you use classes in QuickBooks, you're probably wondering how ServiceMonster 6 accommodates that system. Well, we do. Let's take a look. Just a quick but important note before we begin. ServiceMonster 6 refers to QuickBooks classes as order groups. So when you hear me talk about either one of those, it's the same thing, just a different name. Okay, let's begin. Follow me to Marketplace in the Navigator and select the QuickBooks icon. Once you're inside, select Configuration. This time, I want you to pay attention to this Export the Invoice Group field as the invoice class. Make sure that this is checked. This is so ServiceMonster 6 can properly transfer your data into QuickBooks in specific classes, which is what we want. Now, it's important to assign your order in ServiceMonster 6 with specific groups so that ServiceMonster 6 knows what class to put it under in QuickBooks. Let me show you how to do that. It's really easy. I'm simply going to go to an example order under Orders in the Navigator. You'll notice on the right-hand side, you'll scroll down and there's a drop-down menu called Group. This is the order group location. From here, you have the option to choose your class or order group. So once you've done that, just say it's an example again, you save it, and that assigns the work order to a specific class. And the data will transfer over to QuickBooks later under that specific class information. In order to have groups, you're going to need to create them under the Settings tab and in Pick Lists. But before we go there, let's go ahead and make another important quick note here, that if you have been using QuickBooks and you have been using the class system, you are going to have, and you sync up with ServiceMonster 6, your classes are going to transfer to ServiceMonster 6. So when you use this drop-down menu, you're going to see the classes you had already created in QuickBooks, which is kind of nice. But in case you need to add another one, I'm going to show you how to do that. Follow with me to Settings in the Navigator on the left-hand side, and after that to Pick Lists. And from here, it's going to ask you to select a pick list. So it gives you a bunch of different options, but I'm going to want to find order groups. Select that, and that's going to display your drop-down menu of order groups. And to add a new one, it looks like we already have one entered here, but it's going to look something like that. Add new list item. Really easy. We'll just call it order group 3, and then we click this green plus button over here, and that will add it to your list, and you'll see it on your drop down later. So another really important note is this: you need to make sure that your order group name is the same as your class name in QuickBooks. So for example, this order group 3, if in QuickBooks I have it down as order group 2 or order group 3.5, just as an example, it's not going to transfer, and you're not going to find the information you want under that class in QuickBooks later. So you need to make sure that the names match. That's it for now. I hope this was helpful to you. Remember, you can rewatch this video at any time if you have further questions, or you can call our support team. We are here to help you. Thanks so much for watching. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.